Hello, little champs. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, students, I'm your science educator and welcome back to your science classes. So, today we are going to learn about the foods from plants. So, in this chapter, what we have to learn? We have to learn which food we get from the plant. So, we are discussing now which kind of food we are get from the plant. So, all of you, are you excited, little champs? So, let's get start our chapter. First, we get most of our food from plants. So, in our day-to-day life, which we what kind of food we eat, most of it is we get from our plants. We can take an example of cereals like wheat, like rice, like your lentils. These are the examples, the food which we get from the plants. So, now we are going to start our chapter, and the first thing we have to learn is food from plants. Plants gives us cereals, right? What we get from the plants? The first thing, cereals. Cereals are our main food grains. Without cereals, we cannot imagine our life. For example, if we make lentils but without rice, it's not like good, right? So, jowar and bajra are also called millet. So, what we call jowar and bajra? Millets. Well done. So, wheat, rice, maize, oat, jowar, and bajra are the examples of cereals. Next, plants gives us pulses. So, pulses are dals we eat. So, you say na to your mother, Mama, right now I want to eat arhar dal, I want to eat moong dal with white rice, urad dal. So, these are the dals you eat which we get from the plants and we call it pulses. What we called it? Pulses. Well done. And what are the examples of pulses? We have arhar, moong, urad, moth, etc. So now we get vegetable from plants. This is we already know now, because if you see potato, you can think, okay, this is a vegetable, sweet potato, beetroot. But these are classified into categories. For example, different parts of many plants are eaten as vegetable. Radish, carrot, turnip, sweet potato, beetroot. So, tell me which vegetable you like most? I think carrot. Right. Okay. Now, stems as vegetable. So, in the above section, which we read radish, carrot, turnip, sweet potato, beetroot, these are called roots, and these roots we are eaten as vegetable. But now we are discussing about the stems. So, stems, in the stems as vegetables, we have potato, the most like vegetable for all of you. Potato. You want to eat na chili potato, french fries. Those chili potato and french fries is made with the help of the potato. Next we have ginger and taro, means arbi. Now we are discussing about the leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetable means those vegetables have leaves are called leafy vegetables. For example, spinach, lettuce, cabbage, and fenugreek means methi. Okay. Now we are discussing about the flowers as vegetables. For example, cauliflower, broccoli. Okay. Now fruits as vegetables. So as fruit we have brinjal, tomato, capsicum, pumpkin, bottle gourd, bitter gourd, lady's finger, and beans. So, these are the vegetables and different parts of the plant we eat as vegetable. Now we are discussing about the we get fruits from plants. So, as we get vegetables from plants, similarly we get fruits also from the plant. For example, your favorite mango. Whom like mangoes? Well, mangoes, apple, orange, banana, grapes, pear, pomegranate, guava. So these are the fruits we get from the plant, and we have a lot of fruits which we get from the plant. These are the some examples of it. When we get cooking oils from plants, so it means vegetables, fruits, and oil as well in which we fry our food, it's get from the plants only. So cooking oil is obtained from seeds of some plant. So whose seeds we get oil? First we have groundnut oil, next we have mustard oil, then sunflower oil, and at the last coconut oil. So these are the oils we get from the seeds of the plant. Now we get tea, coffee, cocoa, and sugar from plants. So these are the things we eat in our day-to-day life regularly in the morning, because without tea your morning is incomplete. So these things are also we get from where? From plants. So tea, coffee, sugar, and cocoa. So students, these are the things we get from the plant. So I hope now you can understand your vegetables, your fruits, your oils, and your morning wake up call, teas, coffee, and sugar, cocoa are also we get from the plants. Now again, what you have to do? You have to classify these things and you have to see where you use these things in your day-to-day life. Now for today, we just stop our chapter here. Now I'll meet you in your next class with a new chapter. Till that, bye bye. Have a good day.